Hello everyone! Today in this video, we are going to show you the top 10 fastest production cars in the world. But before we begin, it should be noted that only road-legal production cars are included in the list. Theoretically claimed top speeds which have not been tested or verified are not included in the list. Let's get started. Number 10. Koenigsegg Agera R. Top speed 249 miles per hour, 402 kilometers per hour. The Koenigsegg Agera R was produced from 2011 to 2013, and it is the successor to Koenigsegg CC series. The Koenigsegg Agera R can deliver up to 1140 horsepower. Although the Agera R can deliver a theoretical top speed of 273 miles per hour or 440 kilometers per hour, it was not verified or proven officially. Number 9. McLaren Speedtail. Top speed 250 miles per hour or 402 kilometers per hour. The McLaren Speedtail is the successor to McLaren F1 and is a limited hybrid sports car. It is powered with twin-turbocharged V8 with parallel hybrid system E-motor. The McLaren Speedtail is the fastest McLaren car ever built, and it's the fastest hybrid car you can buy right now. Number 8. Bugatti Veyron 16.4. Top speed of 407 kilometers per hour or 253.8 miles per hour. The Bugatti Veyron 16.4 was produced from 2005 to 2011, and only 252 units were made. It was named Car of the Decade and Best Car Award 2000 to 2009 by the BBC television program Top Gear. The Bugatti Veyron is equipped with an 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 cylinder engine and can deliver up to 1,001 horsepower. Number 7. SSC Ultimate Aero TT. Top speed 256 miles per hour, 412 kilometers per hour. The SSC Ultimate Aero is a mid-engine sports car that held the record for fastest production car from 2007 until the introduction of the Bugatti Veyron Super Sport in 2010. The SSC Ultimate Aero TT is fitted with a twin-turbocharged Corvette V8 capable of around 1,180 horsepower. Number 6. Bugatti Chiron. Top speed 261 miles per hour or 420 kilometers per hour. The Bugatti Chiron is the successor to Bugatti Veyron. The updated quad-turbocharged W16 engine is powered with 1,479 horsepower. The Chiron's top speed is electronically limited to 420 kilometers per hour for safety reasons. Number 5. Bugatti Veyron Super Sport. Top speed 268 miles per hour or 431 kilometers per hour. The Bugatti Veyron Super Sport is a faster, more powerful version of the Bugatti Veyron. In the year 2010, the Bugatti Veyron Super Sport became the fastest production car, achieving a maximum speed of 431 kilometers per hour, thus taking back the title from the SSC Ultimate Aero TT. The Bugatti Veyron Super Sport was produced from 2010 to 2011, and production was limited to 30 units. Number 4. Hennessy Venom GT. Top speed 270 miles per hour or 435 kilometers per hour. On January 21, 2013, the Venom GT set a Guinness World Record for the fastest road-legal car from 0 to 186 miles per hour or 0 to 300 kilometers per hour, with an average acceleration time of 13.63 seconds. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the Venom develops up to 1,244 horsepower. Number 3. Koenigsegg Agera RS. Top speed 278 miles per hour or 447 kilometers per hour. The Agera RS is an advanced version of the Agera R. The Agera RS variant became the world's fastest production car in 2017, setting a record with a GPS-verified two-way average top speed of 447 kilometers per hour or 278 miles per hour. The 5-liter V8 engine of Agera RS can deliver up to 1,341 horsepower. The Agera RS is limited to 25 units only. Number 2. SSC Tuatara. Current top speed 282.9 miles per hour or 453 kilometers per hour. The SSC Tuatara is powered by 5.9-liter flat-plane crank V8, making 1,750 horsepower when run on E85 ethanol. After their disputed claimed two-way average speed of 316 miles per hour or 508.73 kilometers per hour. On January 27, 2021, the Tuatara reached a two-way average speed of 282.9 miles per hour or 455.3 kilometers per hour over the course of 2.3 miles in Florida. The run was verified with multiple satellite tracking systems. Another run is in the plan to be scheduled in the second quarter of 2021. SSC hopes to break the 300-mile-per-hour barrier on the very same runway. Number 1. Currently the fastest car in the world, Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. Top speed 304 miles per hour, 483 kilometers per hour. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport is a limited production high-performance variant of the Bugatti Chiron. On August 2019, Bugatti test driver Andy Wallace achieved a speed of 490.48 kilometers per hour, or 304.77 miles per hour in a pre-production Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus prototype. However, this speed was not achieved using a production model, and the top speed of the production models remains untested. Thanks for watching.
Savannah.